Alright, so today we're going to be trying to get, this is a 2015 to 2021 Subaru VA WRX RS exhaust system. We're going to be taking it into my exhaust guy here and having him, you got to remove a couple inches out of here and then rotate this flange a little bit, and you can get it onto the 2022 VB chassis, hopefully with minimal issue. So we're going to load this up, get it down there, and see what we can do. And we're getting out with the stock and in with the new here. I'm going to hazard a guess this probably isn't the safest way to do this.